Guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds and welcome to the video of this absolutely stunning Ducati 1299 Panigale R, and this one is the final edition. This is number 20 of a very limited number and it's absolutely stunning, honestly, it's a beauty. It's 2017 on a 17 plate, it's only done 1,574 miles and as you can see it's an absolute Bobby Dazzler. So with these, claimed 207 brake horsepower, they have a lighter crankshaft in them, some little titanium bolts and stuff like that. I think they have a titanium rod or something like that in there. The normal one is claimed 196, but this one obviously 207. So with this, you get the full titanium Akrapovic exhaust system, you get the red painted Marchesini wheels, you get the carbon rear mudguard, the carbon sort of exhaust cover, you get the carbon infill panels around the shocks, and you get a carbon front mudguard. Full Ohlins suspension, Ohlins steering damper. What else do you get on this? Obviously Brembo M50 Monobloc brakes, Brembo master cylinder, full colour TFT display. You get different power modes, you get quickshifter, you get autoblipper, you get adjustable traction control, adjustable engine braking, adjustable wheelie control, and adjustable ABS. This one is fitted with an Evotech tail tidy. It's got the Ducati open clutch cover, which looks ace. If you rewind a little bit, you'll get to hear it and you'll get to see that. And it has got the Evotech radiator guards. So it's a cool bike, like I said, number 20 of a very limited number. It's absolutely gorgeous. Obviously, it's in the tricolore colours, and it's a beauty. It sounds ace as well. So if you rewind a little bit, you'll get to hear it. Bikes like this obviously sell immediately with us, so if you do want it, be quick, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.